Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elf, and this is going to be very brief. After testing the Leica TL2 and CL last year, and a lengthy back and forth over which one I like better, even flirting very briefly with the idea of going full out for an M10D, which I loved, I happened across a barely used TL2 on eBay at a price I just couldn't pass up, so done. I added a new Visoflex Type 20, the tiny manual focus Voigtländer Ultron 28mm f2, and a no-name M to L adapter to round it out for my personal work. When Claudia and I flew over to London in early December, this is the kit I took with me. And I loved it. I loved the feel, the handling, the size, and the unobtrusiveness of it. I loved the tilting EVF. I loved the imagery I got with it, except when I wasn't practically pulling out what few hairs I have left in my head because of focus issues. My eyes just aren't what they used to be, even with focus peaking and focus magnification. And I learned that you can't set lens corrections on the TL2. So let me ask you this. In the realm of the material world, does it get much better than when, just days after you and your spouse return from a week of street photography in London with the inestimable Sean Tucker and friends, Leica reaches out to you, sends you a CL with that iRes EVF, and tells you essentially, have a party, shoot whatever you want? No. Now, I've been clear from day one that I don't review Leica cameras the way I do other cameras. I know I'm not objective about them because of my personal history with the brand going back to when I was 7 or 8 years old. It's the brand that got me into photography. After I held a single Kodachrome slide up to the light of a piece of driftwood at water's edge that my mother had shot on a Leica 3A she bought secondhand from Bauhaus-trained photographer Hilda Hubbock. A camera which, by the way, I still have. Anyway, the day after the CL and a pile of glass arrived, Claudia and I promptly went up to New York City because, well, watch the video I'm about to show you and you'll see for yourself, and I shot the heck out of it. No, I don't get to keep it. But I am selling my TL2, and I am getting the CL. Now, you need to know that this video is sponsored by Leica. But you also need to know, I hope you already do, that as always, the opinions, and in this case, joys and sorrows, expressed herein are my own. Abso-lutely. I love New York. I was born here. I keep coming back here. It heightens my senses, stretches my emotions, deepens my thoughts, sparks my curiosity. New York reminds me to live life fully, with intent. I'm a writer, filmmaker, and YouTuber, but photography, people, are my lifelong passions. Whenever I travel, work, or pleasure, I have a camera with me. And I want that camera light, small, fast, flexible, tack sharp, with gorgeous color, even though I shoot mostly black and white. I want it intuitive, offering me the shortest distance between intent and execution from capture to post. The Leica CL does this for me right down to the tightly integrated Photos app. More than that, it inspires me. It's a small voice in the back of my head, a century's worth of history, technology, and legendary imagery whispering, see things clearly, do good work, make your life count. And oh, by the way, recognize how truly fortunate you are. Find your joy, travel, take time, embrace your laugh, and share. Share all of it, because we are all in this together. It's a lifelong challenge, and I'm working on it. Always with the ambition of authenticity, humanity, and wit.